Good morning, children. Today we are starting lesson 12 poem from your new James English Reader book of class 6, and the name of the poem is I Cannot Remember My Mother, and it is written by Rabindranath Tagore. So children, let's know about the poet. Rabindranath Tagore is one of India's greatest poets. He is the composer of the Indian national anthem Jana Gana Man. His works are loved for their lyrical beauty and spiritual depth, reflecting a love for nature and his homeland. He received the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913 for his collection of poems Gitanjali. So children, let's recite the poem first, then I will explain you the summary of the poem. I cannot remember my mother. Only sometimes in the midst of my play. Midst means the middle or central part of his play. A tune seems to hover. Hover means float in the air. Over my playthings. Playthings means a toy. The tune of some song that she used to hum. Hum means to make a continuous low noise while rocking my cradle. Rocking means gently moving from side to side or back and forth. So children, in the first stanza, the poet says that a child who lost his mother in infancy, means in childhood, has only faint recollection of her now. The poet states that he cannot remember his mother now. However, he feels her presence pervading into his life. When he is in the middle of his play with his playthings, he senses a tune hovering over him. It is the tune of his mother's song which she used to hum while rocking his cradle. I cannot remember my mother, but when in the early autumn morning the smell of shiuli flowers floats in the air. The scent means a pleasant smell, of the morning service. Morning service means morning prayers and rituals in the temple comes to me as the scent of my mother. So children, in the second stanza, the poet says that when it is the early autumn morning, the smell of shiuli flowers floats in the air. Then the poet smells the scent of the morning service in the temple. In that smell, he senses the scent of his mother. I cannot remember my mother only when from my bedroom window I send my eyes into the blue of the distant sky. I feel that the stillness of my mother's gaze. Stillness means silence, quietness. Of my mother gaze. Gaze means to look steadily for a long time. On my face has spread all over the sky. So children, in the third stanza, the poet says that when the child is in his bedroom, he looks out into the blue of the distant sky. He feels the silent, steady and protective gaze of his mother being cast down at him from her heavenly abode. Her face seems to be spread all over the sky. So children, in this poem, a child who has lost his mother at a tender age misses her every moment. He remembers her and feels her presence everywhere. Yet he repeats, I cannot remember my mother, probably because he cannot remember how she looked and has just a faint recollection about his mother. So children, I hope that you all have understood this poem. Thank you.